G'day members, welcome to this week's Monday Motivation video coming to you from Lucca in Tuscany this week. Now it's actually Sunday and I just got back from a quick 4-kilometer fast walk around the tops of the walls. Lucca's a fully walled city and a lot of history here. And there were two possible scenarios for this week's Monday Motivation video because I look for something, read something, get told something which motivates me to create the Monday Motivation video about it and tie it into business in some way, shape or form. Now, today there was two possible scenarios. One was what I read on the chest of a very big-breasted woman, right? And the other was the amount of elderly people, I'm talking late 60s, 70s, even 80s, mostly Italians, walking the walls, some on bikes, I mean, you name it. And obviously I went for what was on the ladies' t-shirt. And it said this: change for yourself, not for someone else. Let that sink in. Change for yourself, not for someone else. Now, perhaps like me, you've been guilty in the past or perhaps in the present of changing for someone else. Usually it's your wife, your lover, your partner, your girlfriend, right? Your boyfriend, husband, whichever one it may be, where that person you're in a relationship with wants to change something about you. Because for them, it's they love you more, or they think you'd be better this way or better that way, right? Now, I call bullshit on that. And I did allow myself to be manipulated that way. And that's what it is. It's manipulation. Manipulation could be narcissism, but generally it's manipulation where someone wants you to change to please them, even though deep down you don't want to make the change. And the problem with that is if you make changes about yourself that you don't want to do, you're not being congruent with yourself, right? You're doing it to please somebody else. Ultimately, though, you're a phony, you're a fraud, you're lying to yourself.